All right, so I was in the hardware store the other day, and I'm always surprised to see the Christmas decorations out so early, and it made me think, we're kind of doing the same thing at SelecTech. A lot of our customers do year-end projects. During the Christmas shutdown, they want to resurface their floor, kind of reconfigure their facilities, and you need to start thinking about it now because you're going to need your product there in time, in quantity. So one of the things we've done to help is we start to build inventory. We've got some things here in our warehouse, but you start thinking early in terms of what you need, what needs to be done, how much material you need. We're doing our part by building our inventories, but it does help for you to tell us, in advance what you need. The other nice thing about the products we have is they're interlocking. They go in on top of your existing floor, so it makes that whole shutdown week a lot more effective. You can put our product down on an existing floor. You don't necessarily have to move your equipment around. So if you're thinking about doing an end-year project, let us know soon and think about using our interlock. Both of those things can help you get your project done on time, on budget, and without a lot of headaches.